If your Galaxy Watch Ultra isn't counting your steps accurately, especially when you're on treadmill, pushing a stroller, climbing stairs, and the Samsung Health app is either not tracking your steps or not counting them correctly, we have got you covered. We're going to suggest you some tips that you can use to solve this problem. First, let me make a couple things sure. Make sure you are not wearing the watch either too loose or too tight, so the sensors can work properly. If you're facing this problem while pushing stroller, please remember some watch technology requires hand movement to properly count steps. Sometimes the inaccurate step counting happens for just some minor glitch. To immediately solve it, force restart your watch. Press and hold this up and down button till you see Samsung logo on your watch screen. Also, a lot of users have found this helpful, that if your watch face has multiple widgets including constant monitoring, heart rate, BP, weather, step counter, instead of that, you can use a simple watch face or just keep the step widget so your watch can concentrate on that only. If Samsung Health is not counting your steps, open your Samsung Health app, scroll down till the end of this section, open up settings, once again scroll down a bit, enter activities to detect, and if auto detect workout is turned on, just turn it off. Because when it's on, after you start walking, it'll take several minutes for the app to start counting your steps. Lastly, if you have any set target, open the Samsung Health app again. From this dashboard, tap on steps, scroll down. What you have to do is just reset your target once. Tap on set target, and then reset the number again. Press done. And all this process we have shown you is enough to solve this step not counting problem on your Galaxy Watch Ultra. Thanks for watching.